I am so glad you're here. Thank you. My name is Cai Graham. I am a speaker. I am an author of The Teen Toolbox. Let me show it to you. There you are. You can get that on Amazon. It's an Amazon bestseller, and it's equipping parents and teenagers with the tools for navigating adolescence. That's why I'm here. And I'm a parenting coach. And I've just got a question. Do you ever have that feeling where you know that something's not quite right with your kids, but they just won't tell you anything? And you know that their spark's gone and they're staying in their room and they're not going out and seeing friends, and you just can't quite put your finger on what on earth is going on, and you don't know where to start. You don't know what to ask them. Well, that is what many of my parents who come to me ask is, what do I do? How do I find out? I sound like I'm nagging. It sounds like the Spanish Inquisition. It sounds so desperate that I'm desperately trying to find out all this information to make sure my child's okay, and I know they're not. I have a technique for you, and I know it'll help. It is the amount of parents that come back to me and go, oh my God, this just turned everything on its head. And it's really easy to use, and it stops you suffocating your child, which, let's face it, when they're trying to reach out and find their independence, they're trying to work out who they are, the last thing they want is mum or dad or whoever breathing down their neck. So this is going to sort it out for you. And it's called 3 questions. Why? Because it's just 3 questions for you to ask your uncommunicative teen. It's gold. So the proviso is you've got to warn your child that this is what is going to happen. They need to buy into this. You know, I am going to help you out here, but you've got to work with me. And yeah, all right, whatever. So here goes. The first question you ask is, what is your number? And by that I mean, they have got to give you an answer between 1 and 10. 1 feeling absolutely appalling, don't know where to turn, awful, might even be having suicidal thoughts, big black cloud over their head, can't even cope with life. 10 being absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much, mother. I do not need your help. Absolutely on top of the world. And they need to judge and tell you how they are feeling. So the first question is, what is your number? And the beauty of this is that when you start using it, you now have a benchmark. So they might start off with, 5. Yeah, all right, nothing wrong. Maths went all right, yeah, 5. And then the next time, came back, oh my God, I scored the winning goal, or I was just fantastic at this. And oh yeah, I'm on an 8 or a 9 here. And other times, just don't talk to me, just 2. But the point is that, first, there's one person's 5, and, might be another person's 7. So, this is the benefit of it, is you now have your sliding scale, and you can work out what your child is feeling quite quickly. So first question, what is your number? Second question is, what is your word? And what they have to do here is give you a describing word of how they're feeling. And it can't be crap, because that's really not very descriptive. So it could be upset or sad or guilty or angry or furious or anxious or depressed or happy or optimistic or hopeful or, sort of just balanced or whatever. So they've got to give you a describing word. So it gives you the idea of what sort of frame of mind they're in. Does that make sense? Okay. And the third question, and this is the kicker. This is the kicker that many parents go, oh, well, I can't do this one, is, do you want to talk? And 9 times out of 10, you'll get, no, you're all right, thanks. No. Do you want to talk? No. But the thing is that there will be one time when they go, yeah, all right. Yeah, I do. And don't suffocate them and go all over them like a rash, because that'll just make them back off. But just maybe find a quiet place, or sometimes go for a drive in the car, or take the dog for a walk, or whatever it is, because it then diffuses the emotion and they don't feel as though they're being grilled by you. Okay? But the point is about question 3, do you want to talk, is you as the parent have to respect that. And if they go to and desperate and no, you can't break the rules. But the delightful thing about this is it says to your child, I've got your back. It says to your child, here for you, buddy. It says to your child, when you are ready, I am here for you. And that is the gold. And so many parents have said to me, oh my God, I didn't even realise, but we've been doing this now. And actually, I don't need to worry so much. Now I know what's going on. And, you know, they don't tell me very much, but at least I know that what their state of mind is. And the bonus is what tends to happen is the kids don't spend as much time in their room, because they know the rule is that you can't bug them unless they want you to. So kids start coming downstairs and watching telly or sitting with the cat or the dog or whatever, and they feel safe because they know they're not going to get, how was school? What'd you do? Did you hand in your maths homework? How did history go? What happened with that argument with so-and-so? What about the teacher? Why did they say, ugh? The great thing is that actually your child's sanctuary turns from their room into their home. And you, the bonus is, start seeing more of your child, and you are able to grasp how they're feeling and a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on in their life. So, what's your number? What's your word? And do you want to talk? And if there's anything else you want to know, get in contact, drop me an email. I'm all over Facebook and Instagram. You know how to get hold of me. And if there's more that you need, come and join our Facebook group. But I'm here to support you, and more importantly, I'm here to help you support your kids. And thank you so much. Thank you for just signing up to this. Good to chat, and I'll speak to you soon.